Hi people, I am Donna. I work as Senior Associate in QA.
मेरा नाम है राज और मैं हूँ वीडियो एडिटर। काफ़ी लोगों ने मुझे देखा नहीं होगा क्योंकि मैं कैमरे के सामने कम और कैमरे के पीछे ज़्यादा रहा हूँ। एडिटिंग करता हूँ, कभी डीओपी भी बन रहा हूँ आजकल।
Hi guys, my name is Vaishali and I'm a writer, content and media at Kalpata.
मेरे पास एक नोटिफिकेशन आती है, उस नोटिफिकेशन में मैं सरप्राइज हो जाता हूँ। मुझे कहा जाता भाई राज तू भी एक पार्ट है, हिस्सा अमृतसर ट्रिप का। वाओ, इट्स अमेजिंग।
I just got an opportunity to go on an office trip to Amritsar.
Today I'm here to share my experience of my 2-day trip to Amritsar that was gift by Kalpao Talk to me and some of my team members.
आपने कभी ग्राफ देखा? ऐसा ग्राफ देखा आपने, बिल्कुल स्लोली फिर ऊपर जाता है। ठीक उसी प्रकार अमृतसर ट्रिप थी।
So we had our train cancelled like 3-4 times, and then when we finally got our tickets,
First, I remember the train was like got delayed by like 5 or 6 hours, so we all were like exhausted.
like first of all we got an auto for all of us, which was pretty interesting and enjoyable because everyone was talking and chirping and making videos.
But the moment we like reached to our Airbnb and we just got freshened up, there is like a miracle. Like there was like we just got so much charged up and we went to Artery and Wagah border. So, and when I went there, the amount of energy that place has, that was like literally so unbelievable.
जब मैं सामने परेड होते हुए देख रहा था, जो वहाँ पर हमारे जवान जो एनर्जी के साथ बोलते हैं, वो एनर्जी मैं अपने अंदर महसूस कर रहा। मुझे ऐसा लग रहा था कि भाई मैं भी वहाँ पर जाऊँ और उनके साथ ही करूँ, मतलब इतनी अच्छी फीलिंग आती है।
So me and one of my colleague Rajkumar were like literally shouting in the crowd. Were like,
वो मैं इतने चिल्लाए कि एक टाइम पे तो मैंने बोला डोना एक काम करते हैं, अब थोड़ा होल्ड डाउन करते हैं क्योंकि यार हमारा गला हो रहा है थोड़ा सा खराब।
and we did not even feel that we are like literally exhausted. We did not feel at that time.
If you haven't experienced the energy of Wagah border, I'm telling you, you haven't experienced anything in your life. So I'll recommend you to go there. See, Golden Temple was the highlight, but you can't miss Wagah border.
So and then there was like all the women are going to dance at the border because they asked all the women to go and participate, and I went and that was just literally very fun and unique experience I had there.
उसके बाद अगर मैं बोलूँ और भी अच्छी चीज़ हो सकती है, लेकिन बेसिकली मैं सही बताऊँ जेन्युइन उससे बढ़िया कोई जगह थी नहीं। फिर दूसरी अच्छी जो प्लेस थी वो था गोल्डन टेम्पल। वहाँ पर आपको शांति महसूस होगी, जहाँ हमें वाघा बॉर्डर पे आपको एकदम एनर्जी मिल रही थी, और लेकिन दूसरी साइड अगर आप देखोगे गोल्डन टेम्पल बहुत शांति होती है। तो मेरे जो फ्रेंड थी थोपे से बैठी, शायद ये वीडियो देख रही होगी तो इसे भी पता होगा, वो हमसे बार बार पूछे जा रही थी कि भाई यार ये चीज़ क्यों होती है, ये सर पे ऐसे क्यों बांधते हैं। तो हम क्या कर रहे थे, हम उसे बार बार ट्रांसलेट कर रहे थे और ज़्यादातर ट्रांसलेट मैं ही कर रहा था। हालांकि मेरी इंग्लिश अच्छी है नहीं, बट फिर भी उसे समझ में आ रहा था।
The Golden Temple, as always, it was such a surreal experience that you enter the temple and you just feel the purity. It just cleans your mind, and we all we just sat there. We did not talk that much, all of us, and it was such a detox for us, because in daily life it's just regular routine and everything. We just don't appreciate or we just don't connect spiritually, but at that place it was like so nice.
So along with Wagah border, Golden Temple, we also went to the Jallianwala Bagh, and the history of Jallianwala Bagh is so impeccable. It gave me goosebumps while reading the scriptures that were there.
I was literally very excited to go to the museum, Partition Museum, and there are like so many because there are like Bengali songs are also playing and all those visions and all those informations that you get on that museum, it's so horrifying and you get goosebumps. And then you remember, like once you visit that museum, you will always remember that the kind of freedom that we have here as as an Indian citizen, it did not like it did cost us like so much, so many lives, and how much sacrifices that this country has been through. The people from, especially from both of the borders, like from Punjab and West Bengal, it's so pathetic. But also, you will always, like, I will always cherish the kind of freedom and opportunities I have because of those sacrifices. So that was one life changing experience I had. And after that, I remember like the food. Oh my god, the food of Amritsar is like that Amritsari kulche with chole and all of these desserts. It's like literally I can just think and I want to go back. Okay, so we all had like literally so much fun.
Then we went shopping. We ate a lot of food. Like we savored every delicacy that we could, and it was amazing to be a part of that trip. Yeah, overall it was very amazing. I got to explore places, I got to eat good food, I got to bond with my team members, I got to have good pictures, which is like I love taking pictures. So
मैं इतना ज़रूर कहूँगा कि ये ट्रिप मेरे लिए बहुत अच्छी थी, क्योंकि जहाँ जिस प्लेस पे मैं गया हूँ वो केवल मैंने किताबों में ही देखे थे, मैंने रियल लाइफ में कभी देखा नहीं था और मैंने विजिट भी नहीं करा था ऐसी प्लेसों पर। मुझे एक मौका मिला और मैंने विजिट भी करा, और भी कभी मौका मिलेगा तो मैं डेफिनेटली जाऊँगा ज़रूर और आपको नई नई चीज़ें बताऊँगा।
If I say all over the about all over the trip, it was like fun. There was like yummy, tasty food, but other than that, there was like few 2 or 3 things that I will carry with me forever, and I just share with you all of those. So this was my second trip, like office trip, and I just enjoy so much. And this is a team bonding things also. Like you just get to know the people who are your colleagues and how they behave actually out of the work. So it was literally fun, and I am just looking forward to go on other office trips and bond with more people and explore new cities.
So I would just sincerely thank Girl Power Talk to make me a part of the trip, and yeah, thank you.
Thank you so much.